What's up everybody? CJ here with Viewrail, and I am here for day 3 of the Stay at Home DIY series that we're doing. If you haven't checked this out on Instagram, go ahead, head over to Instagram, see some of the stories that we've been doing. We're trying to bring you guys some great content on what it's looking like to prepare our back deck for the installation of our express cable railing system that we're going to be doing later this weekend. We're really looking to modernize our back deck and open up the view. We live on the river. It's a beautiful view here, and the previous railing that was here really obstructed the view. So if you've been following along, you noticed that yesterday this is gone. It's no longer here. Adios, it's out. We took it out yesterday and it went against the house, came down here by the hot tub, and it came around here. And you may have noticed there was also a birdhouse. For all of you who are concerned, don't worry. We did relocate the birdhouse to a tree that's nearby. We're trying to take care of the animals while we're also taking care of our back deck. So all of the railing is gone. You can kind of see that the boards are weathered. So the next step in the process is not stain application. I wish it was, but it's preparation for stain application. Before I can get to this 5-gallon bucket of oil-based stain, I gotta prepare the deck. So there's different schools of thought whether you can just go straight to power washing or whether you should use any kind of restoration materials. For me, I need to use restoration. So I need to get rid of this with some product. I'm gonna be using Restoradeck. I had to order this online because we don't carry it in our local hardware store. This is a product I picked up from our local hardware store. So I'm going to be looking at the two products, seeing if there's any kind of difference. And I'm also going to be just power washing. So stay tuned in the stories today because I'm going to be showing you the difference between these two products as well as just going straight to power washing. I think that about takes care of it, but remember, stay tuned, stay healthy, stay safe. Hope you have a great day.